Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable bot fight mode in Cloudflare. To get started, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to your account home. This is the main area where you can view and manage the websites connected to your Cloudflare account. Once you are there, look through your list of domains and select the domain you want to configure. In this example, you'll simply choose your sample domain. Make sure you click the correct site, since bot fight mode is enabled separately for each domain rather than across the entire account. After the domain opens, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Security. This section contains the tools and settings Cloudflare provides to help protect your site from unwanted traffic, suspicious activity, and other online threats. If you are new to Cloudflare, this is an important area to become familiar with because many of your site protection features are managed here. Once you are in the Security section, click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust several security-related options for the selected domain. Take a moment to confirm that you are still working on the correct website before making changes. This can be especially helpful if you manage multiple domains within the same Cloudflare account. Next, scroll down through the settings page until you find the bot fight mode option. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a bit more to locate it. Bot fight mode is designed to help detect and mitigate automated bot traffic, which can reduce abusive or unwanted requests reaching your website. It's a useful setting for improving overall protection with minimal setup. When you find bot fight mode, click the toggle button to enable it. After the toggle is switched on, the setting should update right away. In most cases, there is no extra confirmation required, but it is always a good idea to visually verify that the toggle remains in the enabled position before leaving the page. And that's it. You have successfully enabled bot fight mode for your domain in Cloudflare. If you want to confirm the change later, you can always return to the same security settings page and check the status of the toggle. This is a quick and simple way to strengthen your site's defenses against malicious bot activity while keeping management easy from the Cloudflare dashboard.